Author's note. This video is my review of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn, based on the Birds of Prey by Jordan B. Gorfinkel and Chuck Dixon, and Harley Quinn by Bruce Timm and Paul Dini, directed by Kathy Yan. Published by Warner Brothers, DC Comics, Lucky Chap Entertainment, Crow & Co. Entertainment, and Clubhouse Pictures. Starring Margot Robbie, Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Journey Smollett-Bell, Rosie Perez, Chris Messina, Ella J. Basco, Ali Wong, and Ewan McGregor as Roman Sionis, aka the Black Mask. Rated R.
No one gives two who we are beyond that.
At this point, I consider rooting for the DC Extended Universe over the MCU. Some time has passed since the Suicide Squad. Harley Quinn broke up with the Joker, and it's now a free clown, until she runs afoul with Roman Sionis, and meets three lovely ladies who are a pair of rogues.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one.
The first part of the film was on the slow side, and I was a bit confused by how the story went through, especially with exploring everyone's backstories. But as the movie went on, I enjoyed the whole spectacle of Gotham without Batman and without the Joker. Violent, bloody, and vulgar, just like Deadpool, though it would also paid off to be even more over the top, just like Deadpool.
Sure as hell after me, I just robbed him.
Compared to her appearance on the Suicide Squad, Harley Quinn went all out. A total psycho lady with a personality problem. She starts off as a bit of a self-centered jerk who wants to have the time of her life, and when reality hits in, she has to struggle to get herself back on her feet, especially with Roman Sionis breathing down her neck. And I thought her animated counterpart on the new DC streaming service had some bad luck.
You just betrayed him. You just killed his BFF. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him.
Truth be told about the Huntress, Detective Montoya, and Black Canary, I don't really have a favorite. All three ladies have their own backstories that tie into who they are and what makes them stand out in this film. And it's a shame that we have to wait till the climax to see them come together with Harley Quinn, because as a team, they show that they can really work together, especially when they go up against Sionis' men.
Because without the Joker around,
Speaking of which, I really have to talk about Roman Sionis, aka the Black Mask. This is what would happen if Obi-Wan Kenobi went to the dark side while sniffing on spice. A total sicko of a psychopath who wants nothing more than to keep his criminal empire running. His right man Victor Zsasz is no less of a monster compared to his boss. And compared to the last two DCEU films, plus the Joker movie, there is nothing sympathetic about these two slobs. And personally, if Anakin Skywalker saw that, he would be really ashamed of his former master.
What are you talking about? That for me, will you?
It's a shame that Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn didn't do so well in theaters. It's a major step up from Suicide Squad, and the characters are more fun compared to that film. If you're a fan of DC Comics, I recommend checking this film out. Just be worried that this film is not for kids. R rating anyone? Hello?